USD is on the front foot again. Another day where we're seeing the dollar rally. This time though, the DXY has been able to get above that psychological 100 level. It happened just before the London FX fixing at 4 p.m. London time. And it shot above that 100 mark and it's now settling just above there. But anyway, the story is the dollar has rallied again for a second day in a row. Why has it rallied? Same exact reason as yesterday, guys. Bad US data. You'll remember yesterday we had manufacturing production, terrible, worst it's been in years. Headline figure was contraction of 8.7% in manufacturing production in March, but we also had a bad regional survey yesterday as well. The New York Fed manufacturing index record drop to record lows. I think it was minus 78.2. Just shock and horror and despair. And we had the same again today. We had another regional survey. This time it was the Philadelphia Fed manufacturing index. That also saw a massive drop, not to all-time lows, but to levels that haven't been seen since 1980, so practically the same thing. Something like minus 56.6. For reference, last month it was minus 12.7, and these kind of drops are just insane. It's only in this coronavirus crisis that you would see these kind of drops. But the other data, the really important one, was today's weekly jobs data. Initial jobless claims last week showed that another 5.2 million Americans filed for unemployment benefits for the first time. And it's amazing, well, not amazing, I mean, it's incredible like how unprecedented this change in the US jobs market is. In the last 4 weeks, nearly 22 Americans have filed for unemployment benefits for the first time. 22 million Americans. That is pretty much all of the job gains since the last recession, the global financial crisis in 2008, 2009. All of the jobs gained since then, just gone in a month, or even less than a month, gone. Insane. So what we saw was a bit of a mixed reaction in the stock market. Gold sold off a little bit, which was, well, it's more of a function of the dollar, but the dollar has been picking up. Initially, it was kind of unmoved on the data because, I mean, initially it actually seemed like there was some relief that the rate of job losses was actually slowing down, because 5.2 million, that's less than 6.6 million we saw the week before in terms of the increase in jobless claims. However, as the dust has settled in wake of this release, we have seen the dollar move higher. And why does the dollar move higher? I feel like I say it every day, guys. The dollar is seen as a safe haven in times of crisis and stress and worry. You don't know what you want to do with your money. You want to take it out of risky places like stocks and AUD, NZD, places that are at risk of devaluing, and put them into havens. And what is the number one haven at the moment? What has been the number one haven? It's been the dollar. So that is why we're seeing the dollar strengthen, guys. Guys, looking forward, there's going to be a lot of data that's going to be bad, showing the impact of coronavirus. And we here at Freak Network, we're going to be all over all of it and all of the important market themes. Our members get all of this information in real time so they can trade off of it and make money, hopefully, if they know what they're doing, which we also hope to teach them. Check out our memberships, check out our courses as well. If you're new to trading, Ken's got some great courses where he talks you through all the basics of fundamentals. That is pretty much it from me for now, and I will see you.